Have you ever wondered how a simple LED can blink at a different speed using just a few components? What if I told you you could build this entire circuit in Proteus in just a few minutes? In today's video, I'll show you how to create a variable speed LED flasher using the legendary 555 Timer IC. Let's jump right in. First, open Proteus and head to the components library. For this project, we only need a handful of components. The NE555 Timer IC, the LED, any color you like, the standard resistor, an electronic capacitor, and the potentiometer to control the blinking speed. Now, place the 555 timer on the workspace. Connect pin A to the positive power supply and pin 1 to ground. Also make sure to connect pin 4 to VCC so the IC stays enabled. This is where the magic happens. To control the blinking frequency, we will build the timing network. Connect the 1 kilo ohm resistor between pin 8 and pin 7. Then place the potentiometer between pin 7 and pin 6. Don't forget to connect the wiper or middle pin properly. Next, short pin 6 and pin 2 together. Connect the 10 microfarad capacitor from pin 2 to ground. Finally, take the output from pin 3 and connect it to the LED through a 470 ohm current limiting resistor. Now it's time to test our circuit. Click the play button and watch the LED start blinking. When I adjust the potentiometer, notice how the blinking rate change. Higher resistance means slower blinking, and lower resistance means faster flashing. And just like that, you have built a variable speed LED flasher using the 555 timer. This is a simple circuit is the foundation for many projects like strobe lights, heartbeat effects, and DIY gadgets. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more electronics tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you would like to build next. Thanks for watching.